2, 3.
It's not working. Chunks. This is so bad, guys. Oh no, no, no. I forgot to put a jug. Oh my god, no. This is so bad, guys. I forgot to put this jug over there so I can receive the juice. Ugh. Okay, let's try again. Okay, guys. We are back. We are safe and sound. Hopefully, we're not gonna make a mistake again. Here we go. Guys, I made my first ever juice. I'm so proud of myself. I've never made juice in my life. Like, this is my first time making juice. Like, the stuff in this juice are listed here. I'm so proud, and I'm gonna put it in the container, storing this in the fridge. Hopefully this habit continues because I'm really trying to be healthy. Like,
Okay.
I'm in that era. Don't play with me.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked
It's not
up.
working. For ginger and garlic, you need to chop them because the pieces are so big. It's not working. See? It's a big chunks. So if we cut them, it's good. Guys, we have our second juice ready. This is nice. We have garlic, yep, sorry, that's what happened when you live next to a road. Garlic, ginger, and lemon. This is supposed to glow your skin and just make you good and everything. I'm so excited. Wow, mush mush. This is such a happy baby.
2, 3.
Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.